Hey baby love, I wanted to share with you all one of my self-care Sunday routines. This past Sunday being the first self-care Sunday of the year, I was excited. Self-care Sunday is a day where we take a break from our regular routines and indulge in some much-needed self-care activities. Would it be right if we didn't start off with nails? Stepping into the spotlight with the Modelones Poly Nail Extension Kit, your ticket to nail perfection. Elevate your self-care routine with this chill, carefree kit designed for effortlessly fabulous nails and coloring life. Now, let's talk about Modelones. Y'all, look at all of these goodies that helped me create these beauties. See what I did there, huh? This lamp, I call it a glow getter because baby, it definitely makes a difference and completes your set. Added bonus, it's compact. Express yourself how you feeling with polygel in stunning shades. Choose forms or tips and shape to perfection with the pro grade filer. We all know shape matters. Would it be a SET if the shape isn't perfect? Glide through application using Modelones Slip Solution with optional dual forms for a quick application. The Modelones brush partners in crafting perfection. Seal the deal with quality base and top coat. Bonus glam goodies await because you deserve it. Color life with vibrant beauty, shine bright. Hashtag coloring life. What did you do for yourself today? I challenge you this year to set aside a day where you do something to take care of you.